Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to soften your Aputure M9 LED light using this simple DIY hack. Alright guys, I don't know if you've noticed this, but when I use the Aputure M9, I get this multiple shadow cast when I'm using it as a key light. And you could still see it with the included diffusion filter that comes with the light. So in order to fix this, I came up with this simple hack using parchment paper. Also, if you don't have parchment paper, you can also use a blank sheet of paper like this. You're gonna get a bit more diffusion because the paper is a bit thicker, but it will still work. I have tried this and it does work. But I think for the best results, I would definitely stick with the parchment paper. So first of all, you're going to want to cut the parchment paper into a small rectangle, like so, and then you're going to want to cut out a little notch so it doesn't get in the way of the hot shoe mount. All I did was made sure it was the same width as the light. You'll want to cut it long enough so that it extends out from the light. So to attach it to the light, all you have to do is attach the end with the notches first. As you can see, you're going to need this diffusion filter in order to keep this parchment paper in place. So I've attached the notch end first, and then you're going to want to attach the hot shoe mount like so. So by doing it this way, it will help secure the bottom part of the parchment paper so that it'll be easier to attach the other end. All you have to do is pull on the filter, hold it in place with your thumb and your fingers on each end to kind of make a little slot. Slip the other end of the parchment paper and release so that the magnet can catch. So this is what you're looking for. As you can see, the light is much softer on my face. And another thing is, when you're using this light as a key light, when you're doing something like an interview, you're not going to be blinding the person as well, because the parchment paper is making the light much softer and you're not dealing with such a harsh light. Now this will work with other small LEDs as well. You might need to modify it a bit to secure the parchment paper to the light. You may need some tape or whatever. As you can see, the multiple shadows are gone and the light is much softer. And there you have it, a simple hack to soften the Aputure M9 LED light. Always remember to create and appreciate, and if you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. And don't forget to click on the bell for the notifications.